Kapag may narinig pa rin ingay, pwede pa rin sumigaw yung ingay hanggat hindi kayo tumatahimik. So, mainit pa. Ready na? Action! She hasn't met my word. Tuloy lang. Kunyari, she hasn't met my word. She hasn't met my word. But her clues my heart to break. Emote kunyari. Emote kunyari lang. Wala ko dito. Okay, so, okay,